Here, don't be nervous. Come with me, behind the waterfall. Just follow where my feet go. It's beautiful here, isn't it? My favourite place. No one really comes behind the water rush here except me, which I kind of like. I have so many questions. Did you make the ground shake? And that noise? I mean, you did appear straight after. I've never heard anything like that before, or seen anyone like you before. Wasn't you? So tell me, Earth, whereabouts in Perleau is it? I've never heard of it, which is really odd actually. Why have I never heard of it? Like, which direction is it in? Whoa, wait, what? Do you mean the wall that runs around the edge of Perleau? Earth's on the other side of that? No? I'm so confused. We were told that there was nothingness, that it was to stop us from falling off the edge of Perleau. What do you mean the wall's gone? Oh my goodness, so we can fall off? No? Wait, can you come with me, please? Further through this cave, I found something a while back. It's just a small hole. We have to jump up there, to the hole I mean. And there's a strange little garden there, and the wall. No one else knows about it, I don't think. I want to see if the wall is still there, because this can't be right. It's just up on that ledge there. What are you waiting for? What do you mean you can't jump? You have legs, don't you? Hang on. Okay, show me. How high can you jump? Is that it? Oh, sorry, that's funny. I don't think I can jump that high carrying you. Okay, get on my back. We're going to have to do this in 3 parts. If you're okay with that, else you'll have to climb. Ready? That's one. Next one. And one more. Up there. You stood alright? Ready? Ooh. Sorry, I've got you. Okay, here. It's a small gap, but big enough, just about. I'll go first, you follow me. What the wall's vanished. How is that even possible? And there's a stream. I've never seen that before. It's running under the garden. And what's all that stuff? That's not normal, Perdu. Perdu? Soil, ground. This ain't it though. You call it sand? You have this where you live. Is it safe? I want to follow the stream and see where it goes. I suppose you're right. But this is so exciting. But yes, I should go and see the others and find out if anyone knows why this is happening. How it's happening. What is happening. Thanks. So, how did you get here? Are you lost? Oh, come on. How can you not know? It's okay. I won't tell anyone. You can't just have appeared out of thin air. You did? Wow. So can you remember how? Like, what happened before you appeared? You're having lunch? Was it good? I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Are you still feeling dizzy now? No? Oh, that's good. I'm not sure which of us is the most confused right now. And that's it? Then you were here? Oh, here is Perleau. Perleau. Did you, finish your lunch? I don't know, I'm just wondering where you're going to stay. I mean, I guess you'll be staying, right? Or at least until we can figure this out. Is what safe? What an odd question. Of course you're safe. Why on Perleau would you think you wouldn't be? Do I frighten you? No? Good. Because that would be really weird. Wait. We safe from you? Well, I had to ask after you did. And no, I'm not frightened at all. You kind of look the same as we do, but without the silvery skin. Can I touch it? You can touch me too if you like. You feel the same too, and you react the same. Like little bumps wise. Unless you're cold, are you? It feels really warm to me, but I'm just checking. Shock can make your temperature drop, and it sounds like you've been through a lot. Come, let's go back through to the main bit. And you can climb down if you want. If you get on my back, I'm jumping in one leap this time. It's easier going down than it is up. Ready? Oh. And there we go. I have plenty of blankets and pillows in this chest here. You can stay here for now. I mean, if you want to. My friend Summer will be able to build you a surround if you're staying. She's really good. A surround. Place to live in the trees. Like a tree house? Is that what you call surrounds? Huh. Then yes, she can build you a tree house. She won an award a while ago for the best surround builder in Perleau, so you got really lucky appearing in this part. Hey? I have no idea what money is. Oh, little silver discs. What do they do? Oh, like, how do they help? Are they magic or something? Oh. You're funny. And no, Summer won't want those things that don't do anything. But you can ask her, I suppose. You just have to share your passion with us, something you love doing, a hobby or, and do that if you can help anyone while doing it. Or nothing at all if you don't have one or don't want to. You won't be forced to do anything. Maybe someone would like a bracelet made of those coins or something. But on their own, like that? Nah, you're good. Don't even worry about it. Are you hungry? You said you were having your lunch. There are some squishes here if you want some. Huh? They look like peaches. What are peaches? Ugh. Ask us any question, Rain. Oh, let's see. Do they taste like peaches too? Try one. They do. Oh, better. Maybe Earth isn't so different after all. Yet that leaves me with even more questions. Here, let me make you a bed up. You rest well, Silver. Yes, Silver. Seems ironically apt, what with the coins and all, and you can't remember your name. And that you're the only person I've ever seen who's not actually shiny. There you go. Oh, you rest well. I'll come back in the morning and show you around, but feel free to have a wander around. You're more than welcome to. I just want to catch up with Summer for a bit and maybe talk to Glow. She's probably with the lights just a little to the west from here and may know something that we don't know yet. Oh, maybe she'll know how to get your memory back a little too. It is odd that you feel like you've been here for a while already, yet have just arrived. I always did love a good mystery. We'll have you writers Rain in no time. No pun intended. My name, Rain. Play on words. Rest well, Silver. And welcome to Perleau. You're going to love it. Back soon. Perleau's walls are down everywhere around it now. Well done, Fire. I still can't believe we did it. That was exhausting. But can we try and do another? Are you sure you're strong enough? It's okay to rest and gather your strength. No! I mean, please. The elders are probably going mad already. I don't want to make things any easier for them by slowing down now. As you wish, Fire. Where next? Can we try for long ways, please? Yes, long ways. It feels right. Then let's do this. Are you ready? Yes. And Goddess? Thank you for being you. Oh, Fire. Thank you for being you.